The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. With over 17,000 markets and extended trading hours, turn US earnings season volatility into opportunity. Get started at IG.com.
AMP shares today already hitting a near 11-month high after reporting a 5.4% rise in profits in the first half of the year, as underlying strength in the platforms business and cost savings helped offset falling margins at the banking operations. Net profit stood at $118 million at the end of June. AMP's banking unit, as mentioned, posted that 38.6% drop in half-year profit to $35 million, impacted by falling margins. AMP will also sell its advice licensees and Jigsaw Advice Solutions business to Entereti for $10.2 million, but it will retain a 30% stake. The advice arm of the company has reported a loss of $15 million, a 40% improvement, though, from the same period last year. Tempting to make stock of the day, AMP. It has been such a story of loss for many long-term shareholders, but the question then does become, is there value here? Are you seeing opportunity, Howard?
Well, it's been probably the stock we've had the most fun and laughter about in 17 years in Team Invest. And about every 2 years it announces a restructure, which suggests the structure they had before still didn't work. No, it's been an ongoing capital killer for years and years and years and years. And while it's possible that it'll suddenly magically turn into being something better, there are far better opportunities in the stock exchange than AMP. But it certainly is the source of great merriment at Team Invest meetings. We have a lot of fun out of it.
Merriment. So you would be avoiding this one? You'd be selling it if you've had a little bit of an uptick today? That's
absolutely. I'd say thank you, Mr. Market, and get rid of it if I had it.
Grady, is there anything to love in AMP?
Yeah, we don't rate it, so I had to do obviously a bit of a look around. But again, the fact that they're cutting costs is a good thing in this current environment. Getting rid of their advice business, again, a very good thing, because as we saw, it's been making a loss for quite some time. I would say avoid probably, just because, as Howard said, it's a restructure every couple of years. And in this environment, you've got the big names for each of their diversified areas. So you've got the big banks, you've got the superannuation leaders, you've got the advice leaders. So they're playing kind of in the muddied field there. So for me, I'd go with a Macquarie over an AMP. But yeah, AMP is probably an avoid for me as well.
There's a bonus buy for you in that. So that's our look at AMP. Stay with us.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Turn volatility into opportunity this US earnings season with extended trading hours on over 110 key US shares. Get started at IG.com.